To start off this makeup look, I'm using the Sistar Cosmetics It's You Skin Smoothing Primer. I really love this primer because it really does fill in your pores, smooth out your skin, and it gives you a very nice even base for your foundation. For foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay Foundation in the shade 120. You guys know this is my favorite foundation, drugstore or high-end. I love this stuff and you can't beat the price point. And I'll just be blending that out using my beauty blender. For concealer, I'm using the Sistar Cosmetics It's You Skin Perfecting HD Concealer in the shade Ivory. I'm applying that under my eyes, on my chin, the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead, and on my eyelids to prime for eyeshadow. This concealer really helps to conceal and brighten up the face, and I'll just be blending that out using my beauty blender. To set my face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 10, and I'm taking my damp beauty blender and pressing this powder into my skin. This will really help lock in my makeup all day long and make it very long lasting. This powder also has a very flawless finish to it, and it makes the skin look very airbrushed. I love it. For the eyes, I'm going in with the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic Palette, and I'm taking the shade Shh on a Morphe JH33 brush. I'm working this shade into my crease using windshield wiper motions, and I'm also dragging that shade out into the outer corner of my eye, and I'm giving it kind of a winged effect to the eye. So I am dragging it out past the eyelid, and this will end up giving the eye look a very winged and very pretty effect, but done with eyeshadow. So I've been really loving the way this looks. So I'm just working that into my crease and windshield wiper motions until I have the intensity that I would like. Next, I'm taking the shade Mojo on a Morphe JH35 brush. I am packing this shade onto my eyelid and then blending this shade out up into my crease and dragging it out on that wing that we have going on. I love using this brush for this technique because this is a very flat blending brush, so it really helps pack on the powder while blending at the same time. Now I'm taking the shade Diversion on a Morphe JH41 brush, and I'm just going to pack this shade onto the eyelid, not taking it up into the crease, and I'm mainly focusing this on the center of the eyelid, but I do bring it into the inner corner and outer corner on the eyelid, but I want the main focus of the shade to be on the center. Now I'm taking translucent powder on a Morphe E47 brush just to clean up the edge of that eyeshadow, and this will give a really sharp, clean line to that wing that we're trying to create. Going back in with the shade Diversion on the Morphe JH41 brush, and I'm just trying to pack that up to build up the intensity. Now I'm taking the JH35 brush again, and this just has the leftover product of Mojo on the brush. And I'm just kind of working that over the shimmer to give it a very diffused effect, but still keep that shimmer there so it looks very smoky but natural. Well, not natural, but you know what I mean. Now I'm taking the Salon Perfect Lashes in the style 614, and I did tightline my eyes and give it that smoked out effect with eyeliner. Now I'm going in with the Marc Jacobs Omega Tantastic Bronzer on my Benefit Hula brush, and I am bronzing / contouring my face. I am doing this to my cheekbones and to my jawline. To apply bronzer to my forehead, I'm using the Morphe JH02 brush. I love the way that this brush blends and applies a bronzer on the skin. To contour my nose, I'm taking my bronzer on a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm drawing 2 lines down the center of my nose, keeping them close together in the center. I'm also contouring around my nostrils, my cupid's bow, and the bottom of my lip to give an appearance of a bigger lip. To blend that contour out, I'm using my e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm just blending until it's all blended and soft and nice and natural looking. Now I'm going to bake with translucent powder. I'm baking the areas that I contoured, so my cheekbones and my nose. I just love watching the baking process. It is so satisfying to watch, and it kind of looks really pretty. Do you guys know what I mean? It's just so clean cut. I love it. Do you guys feel the same way? For highlight, I'm using the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in Rodeo Drive on a Morphe JH09 brush, and I am just packing this highlight on because I want to be extra glowy. I'm applying that to my cheekbones, my chin, my cupid's bow, and down the center of my nose. I'm also applying this highlighter for the inner corner highlight on my eyes. Then I'm going in with the Studio Makeup Luminous Loose Blush on a Morphe JH06 brush. I love this brush and blush combination, and I'm packing on the blush because I am such a blush person, but I do end up blending it out so it looks a little more natural. But I love blush. Don't be scared of blush, guys. It makes all the difference in your makeup. To wipe away my bake, I'm using a Morphe M437 brush. I'm also running this brush along all the areas that I put product on my face because this will just really help blend all the products together and tone everything down. For setting spray, I'm using the Sistar Cosmetics It's You setting spray, and this will just help set my face and lock all those powders in place and also melt them all together so they look more blended. For lips, I'm using the Morphe Lip Liner in the shade Bite Me. I love these Morphe lip liners. I've said it before and I'm going to say it again. You need to get your hands on the Morphe lip liners. They're only $3 and they're amazing. And to finish off this look, I'm going in with the Ades New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick in the shade Hot Cocoa. And I love this lip color and the finish that this lip gives. It is so pretty, and I'm so sorry if I butchered everything about the name of this lipstick, but I really love this lip color and it's one of my favorites. This is the final makeup look and I absolutely love the way it turned out. I love everything from the lip color to the eyes, and I think it's very wearable. I think anyone could pull this makeup look off. It's very smoky but also very casual. Does that make sense? Like, it's not too dramatic. It's still very wearable even though it's smoky. So I think it's like the perfect daytime smoky eye. I think it's perfect for nighttime also at the same time. I think this makeup look is perfect for so many different occasions, and it just gives me very kind of like Kim Kardashian vibes a little bit, like when she pulls off a smoky eye. Not really sure, maybe that's all in my head. But anyways, I really loved the way this makeup look turned out, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you did, please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel because it always means so much to me when I get a new subscriber. And if you do decide to recreate this makeup look at all, I would love to see it. All my social medias are linked down below if you want to DM me or tag me in any of your pictures if you recreate this look. I would love that. And then really quickly, I want to move on to the giveaway I have going on. I don't want to talk too long about this because the giveaway is also in my previous videos, my previous few videos, so you can always check those out for more details, and also all the rules and details on the giveaway are in the description box. So The giveaway ends Monday, March 4th at 11:59 p.m. So it is ending very, very, very soon, you guys. So make sure you enter before it ends so you have the chance to win. I will contact the winners on March 5th through email, and the winner will have 24 hours to respond to me, or else I will have to pick a new winner. So please make sure you are checking your emails on March 5th. The rules are very simple. You must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. That's mandatory. Give this video a like and leave a comment on this video asking me any questions you want to know about me for a Q&A I'm going to film, and or leave a comment letting me know of any requests you have for my channel, tutorial wise, challenge wise, any videos that you guys want to see. You also have 2 bonus entries if you follow me on Instagram and if you follow me on Twitter, but those are optional. And this is all the makeup right here that you have the chance to win: the Blood Sugar palette, some Becca lip glosses, some NARS, Too Faced, Stilla, all this stuff. All the products that I'm giving away are listed down below by the full name of the product and the shade color of the product. So if you want to go further into that, just check out the description box. It's super easy to enter. All you do is go to the description box. The first thing in the description box is the link to enter. All you got to do is click that link, add your name and your email. It will verify that you are subscribed to me, and that's it. That's all you have to do to enter. It's super easy, so just check out the description box. Everything is right there. It's very easy to enter and to follow. So yeah, make sure you enter before it ends because it is ending very, very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Good luck to everyone who enters the giveaway. Please make sure you give this video a big like and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!